Oh, okay. Okay, guys, when she gets on, can you guys please send me her life? If anybody thinks about it, you know, when you're sharing live, could you put good old mixing suds in there? All right, last squeeze, and then we're gonna add some liquids. Of course, honey. Let's put all the sponges in and then add the liquids. Me too. I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna embarrass one of my friends. Okay. He is, for you 20-something to early 30s, my friend. It's my daughter's boyfriend's best friend. Well, one of his best friends. He is currently looking for a relationship. He is he's handsome. He's smart. He has a really good. My son's looking at me like, what? But yeah, anyways, my daughter's boyfriend's friend is looking for a relationship, and he's been going on dates from, yeah, I'm being a matchmaker. He's going on dates from Hinge right now, and he said the girls don't even look like what they look like in their pictures on there. Huh? You got a haircut? Oh, yeah, you have been wearing hats. You look nice and handsome, my love. No, I don't have tidy bowl. I'm sorry. Huh? Yeah, you want some? Yeah, he's 30. I think he's 30. He's either 30 or 31. He has a really good job. Very smart. And yeah, his name is Austin. Okay, Tink. Yeah. He is, what else can I say about him? He is Caucasian. He lives here in Arizona, but he just moved here maybe 6 months ago from Kansas. And yeah, he's kind of shy, but in person, like around us, he's not shy, but to girls, he's a little shy. So, ladies, let me know your info, and we'll do this matchmaking thing, right? Whoop, shy said no thanks. What ethnicities do you guys prefer, my ladies? It's actually surprising how many. I'm matchmaking, Gambit. That's me. I'm a matchmaker. It's actually surprising. Okay. How many? What? Psych? Easy? I like matchmaking. That's fun. I literally, let me count. Of the supervisors and the, I build energetic materials that go into military weapons and aircraft and commercial for life saving, like, you know, like fire extinguishers and stuff. Tall, nerdy man. Oh, Lucy, let me see which one's tall. Austin isn't that tall, Lucy, but he's handsome and he's very sweet. Kinda, Gambit, kinda. Most of them are kind of the same height, about like 5'11", 6 foot. My son is taller, but he's dating someone. I didn't even know he was dating, and I was trying to hook him up with Ari. Sorry, Ari. He doesn't tell me this stuff. That's good? That's good, Lucy? Hi, Yella. Nothing less than 6 feet. Yeah, it's chemistry based. My son is 20, he's just turned 27 actually in December. He's about 6'2". And then all the rest of the boys, it's like a whole clique of engineers and supervisors. And they're all single because they're kind of shy, but they're not ugly. Not saying that, you know, if guys are single then they're ugly. They're very sweet. Good guys. Just let me know the flavor. we got Caucasian. We got African American. We got Dominican. My son will be 21. 6'7". Ooh, Patty. I'll let you know when this girl goes away. And then my other son is 16, so he's too young so far, but all flavors. Okay. Yep, I got all flavors. I really do, you guys. And they like message me because we work together, so we're like coworkers, but then they're friends with my kids. So when we have a function, everybody's there. Oh wait. Lucy. Lucy, can you pin what you just said? Because if you're serious, oh my gosh. I have two sons. I have a 16-year-old and a 27. Actually, he's 28. He just turned 28, not 27. Oh my gosh, Lucy. You should talk to Austin. Yeah, he's probably like 5'11", 5'11", 5'10", like that. He's not as tall as me because I'm 6 foot. Okay, Tank, yes, this is fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and I was gonna go to my daughter's house today. She would have loved this. Okay. Oh man, this is fun. I have 4. I have twin daughters. They just turned 30. No, they just turned 29. I'm sorry. And my boys are 16 and 28. He works with me, Brandy. All 3 of my adult kids work at the same place that I do. Okay, that sounds good to me, Patty. Say less. Say less. Because these boys are too shy nowadays. I don't know. They just hang out in their room and play video games or what the heck, but they're like actively looking on Hinge and then meeting the girls, and then the girls are different from there. I don't know what's going on. Yes, we have stuff going in pen. Sorry, I'm talking too much here. I'll put some more in right now. I'm sorry. Hey, Brandy. That's nice. Okay, Patty. I'm gonna watch. You guys watch. For reals. I like to post their pictures. Yeah, Claire, I'm about to put it in right now. Just squeezing them out so I can add some more liquids in here. See, that's nice. I mean, you're 6'2", JC? No, I don't work at a military base, but we build parts for the military. Oh, there's thick stuff on the side. I'm just gonna change my name to matchmaking, clean talk and matchmaking. Yes, they all want kids. Well, my son, actually, I want him to want kids, so that's what that happened, and I guess I put everything in except for the salt, though. All that junk flapping. I forgot what I was saying about my boys. All of their parents live in different states, so I'm kind of like their mom. Not kind of like their mom, but they treat me like they're very sweet and loving and stuff. Woo! I'm about to pour my dish soap that I'm using for actually washing dishes in here. Okay, no one under 5'11". I can ask them their heights because one of them is way under 5'11". He's the one that, well, I have 2 supervisors once, but yeah, he's way under 5'11". He went on his first date ever last weekend. And I have one more that just added to the pack. He's a quality engineer. And yes, he's available too. Oh, thank you, Brandy. Yes, his first date ever. He's 23. He's really shy. It's sweet. And you know what? When the boys, like when Austin, what's this one? Talking so much. Yeah, that one is a baby. But when Austin was gonna go on his latest Hinge date, he asked me where he should take her. Okay, thank you, Patsy. Yeah, so that's what we have. They're all in there. They're 20, the youngest one is the 23-year-old. And then the oldest one is maybe 31. Gambit, didn't you say you were married? Gambit, tell me right now. Did I misread something? Yes, Danny, it did. I wanted to get all the clumps out. I think it'll be perfection when we get all the clumps out. Yeah, but guys, I'm your hookup for we'll say 25-year-olds to early 30 single fellas. Let me tell ya, with good jobs, married with tax deductions. Wait, what'd you say, Gambit? Could somebody pan him? I missed his. But I have a 6-year-old. You guys are going too fast. I can't read. You guys are going too fast for my eyes. It's nothing to do with my hinge. Oh, okay. Well, you better be careful on Hinge because they say that the girls are different in person. Oh, really, Danny? I bet. Yeah, dating is exhausting. I'm not sure if I want to get married again. But this is my 8th He's my forever person, this one. He's my forever person. Yes, Kelsey, it's new. Tell your friends about your page. Singles welcome. I got you guys. And they're all nice. Nobody's a jerk. We only had one that was kind of like his personality was kind of an acquired taste, but he doesn't work there anymore and he has a girlfriend. Wait, what did you say, Comet? Get a combo and a partner at the same time. Yes, yes, sir. That's what we do here. That's what we do here. I didn't move my iPad. I'm turning my head and I keep splatting myself in the face. 1 second, guys. And we have everything added. I have a couple more fabric softeners, but we'll save those for another life. But we're just trying to smooth it out here. Smooth it out. Sugar daddy that don't want sugar. No, that would be nice, huh? I think there is such thing as that, you know. The sugar daddies that just want company. Part of the reason I like to go live is to talk to you guys about stuff. Girl chat. Because let me tell you, you see how I'm saying that there's all these boys? That's what we usually hang out with is 90% guys and then my daughters. So girl chat is much needed. And oh my gosh. I can't wait to tell Austin about Lucy. And then my son about Patty. Well, my son is dating somebody. So I tried to tell him about Aria, and then he told me way later, because I said, how come you haven't messaged her? And then he's like, Mom, I'm dating someone. I was like, well, you didn't tell me. He said, she looks like Karuchi. I said, oh, Aria's prettier than Karuchi. Ooh, that sounds good, Patty. Girl chat. I don't know when I'm gonna go live again though, but guys, this stuff, I still had all this stuff from California. I was like, I need to talk to my girls and my guy. I really am too, Lucy. As soon as I get off, I'm doing it. As long as you're down. As long as you, I had one more sponge. Is it lost in here? Maybe I didn't have one more sponge. I've never met her. My son doesn't really introduce me to the girls he dates. I guess that's why I didn't know about this one. He's like super family oriented, but like when it comes to dating, I guess maybe he needs to find more quality girls he wants to bring home to mom. Because he never introduces them to any of us. But he doesn't really date that often, I don't think, because he told me about her. But after I had to ask him about what's going on. Maybe 2 months? That's what I was thinking too. I was like, well, why are you wasting your time if she's not bring home to mama worthy? Dang right. That sure is what it's like. Oh my gosh. I wish I had I don't have, but I wish I had a, thank you, Krista. Thank you for the cake. A pine panelin jug. To make it get all the way smoothed out. These little clumps that don't want to smooth out right away. But I don't have it. That's true. That's probably true, Jojo. We'll just go with that. You just gotta make sure, because, you know, meeting the mama, crazy mama like me, big step. Big step, big step. Hi, Jessica. Jessica, it's me, Jessica. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about the live today? What do you think about the love matching? What's it called? Love matching? Matchmaking. I'm sorry. Love matching. That sounds creepy. That's true. That's true, Jojo. I'm here. I'm in here. Love matching. Aw, thanks, Randy. Oh yeah, that's true, Gambit. That's true. For guys too. Well, you know, let me tell you. Oh Christ, let me tell you this. Yeah, Sappy, everything's in. I have more Foca fabric softeners, but I didn't include them in this live. Guys, let me tell you. Okay, for my daughters, my twin daughters, I introduced my daughter Peyton to her boyfriend. This shows you guys I'm good at this. I introduced them. They've been together. Hi, Teresa. I'm just matchmaking right now, Teresa. Oh, Hallie, you're so sweet. Oh, I introduced my daughter Peyton to Lucas, her boyfriend. They've been together for 3 years. Okay, and I told my other daughter's boyfriend about her before he met her, and I told him I would love for him to be my son-in-law before they had even talked to each other, and now they are dating. What? That's it. That's it. We're gonna make a show on TLC. Clean Talk Matchmaker. Yep. So my what is it? Statistics, records, whatever. They're good. They're valid, guys. Yes. Thank you. Credibility. Ooh, 3 Scrubs Mafia. I love that name. I love it. 3-6 Mafia. I love it. Clean Talk Cupid. Yes, honey. I feel like I'm talking too much, you guys. No, not at all. Not at all. It's we're just like, I'd say that we're like my adult kids. We're just like friends. It's almost like we're friends. I had them when I was young, and they're all responsible and stuff. So they're just like my friends. Like my daughters. Sometimes they're like, I'm not going unless my mom goes, and I'm like, I'm too old to go to that. Yeah, I'm gonna save. Ooh, let's see. We got plenty of big bottles. Are you guys ready to save? Patsy said, not yet. We need to chat. Oh man, you guys are awesome. We gotta figure out new and innovative things to do on lives, besides the matchmaking, of course. Like I got tired. This probably sounds crazy, but I got tired of certain products. So when I go live, I try to get the products that we don't see so often. 30 more powders, give it. Okay, let me go to DoorDash. No, actually I sold out. We're sold out. Everything's in here. Actually, we can still chat while I save. Pack tea, my girl. It's DoorDash. I almost got, I don't have any, well, actually, I do have, I can add it, not as something paid to add, but I do have purple fabric softener that I use for my clothes. Yeah, Lucy.